Hello everyone, this is Mihir Koralwala from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuations. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Persistent Systems. Analyst maintains buy on Persistent System with price target of Rs 7,280 as we believe the company is well placed to deliver top quartile performance for FY25. And is well set to deliver strong growth in FY26, given robust order book and disciplined execution. We expect sales PAT CAGR at 20% and 23% over FY24 to FY27 earnings estimate. At current market price, the stock trades at 5.7x is FY27 EPS estimate. Next, we have an update on PNB Housing Finance. Analyst maintains buy rating on PNB Housing Finance with a potential upside of 20%. The risk-reward profile for investors in PNB Housing Finance appears compelling, driven by an improving industry outlook and attractive valuations. Leveraging past lessons, the company has proactively strengthened its market position. We anticipate Punjab National Bank Housing Finance to demonstrate robust growth, projecting an 18% CAGR in loan book and 24% CAGR in PAT from FY24 to 27. This growth trajectory is expected to translate into a return on assets of 2.7% and return on equity of around 14.6% by FY 2027. We assign the price to book multiple of 1.3x to the company's projected FY27 earnings, implying a potential upside of 20%. A sustained track record of successful execution is likely to drive re-rating of the stock. The stock trades at 1.1x its FY27 book value.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.